U.S. Secretary of State John Kerry is at the summit and is sought to reassure Asian leaders that Washington would resolve this ongoing political stalemate. For more, we're joined now by Vito Henjoto, Senior Strategist at Invest Financial Services. Thank you so much for joining us, Vito. And it seems like everyone is on tenterhooks, just waiting on how the Democrats and the Republicans will resolve this issue. And Asian markets are being held hostage.
That's true. Good morning, Rico. We see the Australian market open up higher this week, today, and is it going to last? That's the big question. I think there's already uncertainty in the market, and with what's happening this morning with President Obama.
Wall Street, do you see any evidence that we're maybe at a market top and that we're perhaps due a bit of a correction in the short term?
Well, I mean, the earnings calls last week generally positive, but it was really more of a mixed bag. And the higher bond yields and also the escalating tension in Russia, Ukraine, and the Gaza Strip, I think that causes a little bit of a concern, and that's why we see a little bit of a profit taking there. But technically speaking, we might see a little bit of a bearish signs.
The Australian share market hit a fresh two-week high yesterday. Do you see more gains for the rest of the year?
We could see more gains, but it'll be more moderate. The slowdown in the mining sector in Australia, that's likely going to weigh it down. So even if the U.S. markets, the European market pretty much gain overall in
movement room, an easing of pressure to free up some lending to try and boost the UK economy.
Let's take a closer look now at global markets. And joining me is Vito Henjoto of Zenifix over in Sydney. So Asian markets, they're in retreat after a fairly strong start to the week, and we keep talking about Brexit. Do you think Brexit fears will continue to drive sentiment for regional markets today?
Yeah, that's definitely one of the key things to consider. We also have the Friday's US job numbers.
Traders are now pricing in 1 in 3 chance of the Fed raising interest rate in June. What's your take on that?
I don't think there's going to be any rate hike in June at this point in time, although I really think July is very likely. FOMC is going to stay put for the outcome of the Brexit referendum. They're not going to be doing anything that risky hiking up rates in June. In addition to that, just to support this, FOMC acknowledged.
Mine is actually a little bit more of the opposite of what Mike does. So I would call myself more of a purist, probably 95% technical. And I use Japanese techniques like Ichimoku, Kinko here, or the candlesticks, the Heikenashi.
Okay, now if I had to choose, I would go with TA.
Be on the cool side. Join TA.
Oh, there you go.
TA is definitely the cool side then. Definitely the cool side.
All right, high five.
Hey Indonesia, we're so happy to announce that we're going to be opening our Trader and Investor Center in Jakarta, Indonesia, and I'm looking forward to sharing some of my experiences and knowledge to you guys. So I look forward to see you guys in class.